Welcome guys, welcome to the channel True Jamaican Vibes Fire Reid. So today I am in Montego Bay at the Sangsters International Airport. A lot of changes has been taking place, and you're right, that is where you have the entrance to go to the arrival or to also to the departure. So I'm just coming out of the parking lot, which is the exit. So the exit will take you all onto the departure area. Remember, first time when you're exiting from the airport, it, it will all take you to the arrival side. So my parking hours is like about an hour and a half, and it's about $350. Yeah man, so when you come to Jamaica, just expect some changes. I think it's gonna be more easy flow of traffic. So hope we have some good out of it. It's always good for improvement for a beautiful island Jamaica. So big up on yourself anywhere you know watch from here and abroad. You can big up on yourself on a tour guide Fire Reid. This channel is all about touring Jamaica. Many different places in Jamaica. Countryside, town side. So we are going out on the exit now, which is right here. As you know, around here would be the departure area. So I am at the departure. So this is where the exit gonna take us from the car park. So keep on watching and leave in the comment section where you're watching from. Big up on yourself all the time. Yeah man, a lot of confusion in the place, a lot of confusion. But the reason why for the confusion is because them doing a lot of work on the airport. Don't know when it will be completed, but hopefully soon, so we can have an easy flow of traffic. You see the sign up there, the departure. Yeah man. So the exit is also on one way. It's a one-way street. So it take you right back to the roundabout area where you have the entrance to the international Sangster International Airport. I think right there, what causing the confusion with the traffic also. So I wish if somebody could look into that, and if they could move the exit from entering back into the entrance, I think they would have a better traffic in that area. Yeah man, as you can see how much traffic are come out of the airport. And also remember, when you come into the airport, if you're leaving Jamaica, please leave on time. They said you're supposed to reach 3 hours before your flight, but please leave very early, because in Montego Bay the traffic gets so worse. So try and leave very, very early, extra early. That will save you some money and cause you not to miss your flight. So right here is a bit of confusion. Here is where you have the exit from the departure area and also the entrance. Where would you enter the Sangster International Airport? Yeah man, you see it. A lot of traffic here, confusion. Everybody are trying to board, trying to get out. So just be careful, stay on the lane, because a lot of drivers will try to bump you off the road, push you to the limits where you want to speed up, hit somebody in their back and also their side. So take your own time, drive at your own pace, and you will be safe on the road. Because some of the time if you know Jamaica street setup, if you know Jamaica road code, as in Jamaica road code, not by law, but by in the streets of Jamaica. Yeah man, so big up to yourself anywhere now watch from. Leave in the comment section also. Maybe next time I can give you a shout out. And I will also give you updates on the Sangster International Airport. So all the people that will love to travel, when they come at the Sangster International Airport, they will have less confusion. They will know exactly what's taking place. So always remember, like up the video, share the video, free of cost. So enjoy the tour. But this time I'll take it on the top road, not the bottom road, which would be Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. I will take it on the top. So enjoy the tour and see what it look like in a busy season, Christmas, and the new year. So big up for yourself. Happy New Year, everyone. So I will keep left. I will take it on the top road. If I keep right, I will take it onto Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. Yeah, man. So no Montego Bay with Fire Reid update is very important about our beautiful island Jamaica.